Welcome to FX Streets. Today we're going to be talking about Ripple, XRP, and why it could become the best performing cryptocurrency for the year if the current situation continues. But before I dive deeper into the technicals, of course, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. So you will see regularly tweets with links to very interesting articles that we are writing and talking about. And one of them will be XRP, Ripple, of course, today. First of all, let me start with the more positive news, and that is the fact that we are into, barely holding on there, but we are in a 3-day winning streak. Which is quite good, very solid trend line here with 2 firm tests. And it makes it even more interesting that this bounce here, that was Tuesday, is spot on the monthly S2 support. So that support is back up there. So support back in the graces for the bulls, reclaimed it, planted a flag on it, and now back up, and it now looks like they are venturing to take a stab at this 37 cents. They are seeing a bit of a fade. That's because of the fact that this bearish cap here, that comes from a 200-day moving average, is it's causing some headwinds. You see that here on the 9th and on the 20th, we had a firm rejection each time, which triggered a sell-off. So already bulls are a bit afraid of that. They see that coming up, and they already are starting to take a little bit of profit from the current price action. But all in all, should equities continue their rally and their winning streak from yesterday, for example, and should the US dollar weaken a little bit further, that would be helpful. Certainly seeing the quite eventful afternoon. We have a big chunk of US data coming out. You got Michigan sentiment, you got PMI, service PMI, jobless claims, you got crude inventories. We even got late into the close, for example, the Baker Hughes rig count, things like that. So all data, which normally you would expect between now and Friday, is all concentrated into this afternoon. So bear that in mind. Thanksgiving on Thursday, so no trading at all. Of course, cryptocurrencies will still trade. And on Friday morning, you have a bit of trading, but only for a half day because, of course, Black Friday. So everybody will want to hit the shops and buy at big discounts their things. So quite a more, how do you say it, holiday mood. Which is warmly welcomed by everybody, and that could only be translated in a further push upward. So I would possibly see this 200-day moving average being broken, and I would channel or pencil in this 42 in the coming week or weeks to come in the Christmas or Thanksgiving rally underway. And that's as far as I would see it go. 48 cents, could be, but this 55-day held support now broke. So in my opinion, this will be a big resistance going up. So I don't see 48 really happening unless we get a perfect storm with everything falling in line. So continuous weaker dollar, continuing equity rallying, etc., for several days in a row, then this might be possible. But for now, so I expect this 200-day and then the 55-day to be quite massive caps. To the downside, should there be some more negative headlines coming from FTX, or should the numbers this afternoon be a downbeat surprise, for example, then once this green ascending trend line breaks to the downside, then of course you need to get out, because then we will get a full swing back towards 32 cents and possibly even 30 cents in the coming days, should those negative headlines, depending on the severity and impact. And that's it for XRP Ripple for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.